ABC Action News exposing a critical shortage that really impacts the health of Tampa Bay's most vulnerable people. Wendy Lane with the story.
Nurses, they're needed everywhere.
You have high blood pressure then?
There's definitely a lack of nurses and a high demand for them nationally.
So it's difficult finding ones willing to volunteer at places like free clinics.
Oh, so yours can't be sky high. You got to be in pretty decent shape.
Our patients are some of the socio-economic distressed population.
The St. Pete Free Clinic provides general practitioner care and more than 9,000 services for people without insurance.
And we would not be able to do it without our volunteers, so we need them.
Most of the clinic, from the doctors to the staff, are all volunteers. But the lack of nurses means the fewer patients they can see.
The nurses are the ones who see the patients first, who get the vital signs, who get the information, who make sure the labs are here. Without that, we really would not have a role for the physicians because we need the nursing support.
If you're a nurse licensed in Florida and are looking to volunteer, we'll have a link for you on our website at abcactionnews.com for details. In St. Pete, Wendy Lane, ABC Action News.